Best deals.
1. Fruit washer. You just turn the crank, the smooth rotary crank helps you do spinning washing within just seconds, then you can enjoy the total clean tasty fruits. Features creative spinning vortex wash mode, to scrub every single fruit quickly and thoroughly. It's compact and lightweight yet durable, offers longevity. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Storage bag. Designed with a strong airtight seal, the storage bag protects grains, rice, flour, and dry foods from moisture, humidity, and pests, ensuring long-term freshness. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Soap dispenser. Just press the top plate with your sponge or scrubber to dispense the perfect amount of soap instantly, saving time and preventing waste. Ideal for kitchen sinks, dishwashing, bathroom cleaning, or hand-washing areas. Refillable and convenient to clean. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Beater. It performs all your blending, whisking and kneading tasks fast and efficiently. Simple one-hand operation with results in 20 to 30 seconds. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Crinkle knife. Anti-slip handle ensures safe and comfortable cutting, reducing strain during long cooking sessions. Ideal for making French fries, salad toppings, vegetable garnishes, chocolate shavings, and even craft projects like soap cutting. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Microfiber cleaning cloth. Achieve a pristine streak-free finish on all kitchen surfaces with our traceless cleaning rags designed to provide spotless results without lint or residue. These clothes make cleaning pots, counters and appliances effortlessly efficient. Microfiber transform your kitchen into a gleaming showcase with clothes that leave nothing behind. Enjoy the perfect balance of size and usability with our pre-cut tear-away microfiber kitchen towels. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Coconut scraper. Durable polished teak coconut scraper offering long-lasting performance and elegance for traditional and modern kitchens. Scraper with secure grip for effortless, stable coconut grating in any kitchen setting. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Scoop. Transfer bulk items like cereals, pulses, or powders quickly without spilling. Great for commercial or home use. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Chopper. This 1500 ml vegetable chopper easily handles bulk chopping and mixing of vegetables, fruits, and other ingredients with its generous capacity. A simple shake or twist of the chopper allows you to effortlessly chop ingredients into evenly sized pieces without manual labor thanks to the sharp stainless steel blades. In addition to chopping vegetables like onions, the versatile chopper can also shred, slice, dice and mix ingredients for soups, salads, sauces and more. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Serving tray. Sturdy handles make it easy to transport food from the kitchen to the dining room, and the versatile zoning design can meet your multiple needs. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Cake container. No more struggling to carry your goodies, just use the easy carry handles, which are double and also folds in place when not in use. You won't have to worry about anything spilling out, either, since the 3 locking clips keep the cover on tight. We even include 3 bonus locking clips as replacements. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Divider. Helps to keep your home drawers organized and clean. This is a bamboo drawer divider wooden wardrobe organizer with 4 divider with 9 inserts. These adjustable drawer organizer can be installed in any drawers of your house or office. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Ice candy makers. Multiple slots enable the creation of a variety of frozen treats such as kulfis, popsicles. Equipped with handles for a comfortable grip and easy maneuvering while enjoying homemade ice creams. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Sealing machine. Comes with both heat sealing and a sharp stainless steel blade. The sealing machine for food packets helps keep food fresh by sealing food vacuum bags or chips bags directly. Creates an airtight seal to prevent spoilage, dust, bacteria, and stale taste. Also safely pack cosmetics when traveling. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Salad spinner. Uses centrifugal force to throw out excess water and pesticide, leaving your contents safe to consume. The transparent body allows you to monitor the cleaning and spinning process, so you can stop it at the desired time. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Drying mat. Made from rubber, these mats are highly resistant to water and heat, making them ideal for use in the kitchen. Easy to clean and maintain. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Whisk. Make cooking quick and fun with our easy pull cord quick chop. The kitchen chopper lets you prepare delicious meals for your family with ease, all in one simple tool. Features 900 ml premium quality container and a stainless steel blade. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Drain basket. Experience enhanced drainage and filtration with the double-layer design of this kitchen sink drain basket. The inner layer efficiently traps food waste, while the outer basket allows water to drain freely, preventing clogging. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to the detachable strainer basket. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Bottles bags. The food storage zipper bags with fashion mason jar-shaped design to be your perfect traveling and camping companion, which are ideal for protect the freshness for a variety of snacks, fruits, veggies, crackers, cookies and sandwich jar pouch for fridge etc. Leak-proof, suit for taking on the go and transport. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Silicone funnel. This collapsible silicone funnel can be stored anywhere in your kitchen, garage, tools kits, artist kits or most small spaces in drawers and cabinets. Funnels are simple to use and easy to clean. Our silicone funnels are machine washable. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Eggs tray. Its design ensures that your eggs remain organized and easily accessible, making it an essential addition to any kitchen. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Washing bowl. The folding handle is designed for ease of use and maximum space efficiency. When not in use, simply fold the handle down to make the bowl more compact and easy to store. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Nutcracker. Makes cracking hard shells easier and more efficient with less effort. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Strainers. These strainers suitable for any standard types of sewers, sinks or bathtubs. Sucker under each tip, keep it in place over the drain without shifting, even when you take a stand-up shower. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Platter serving set. Each plate features a convenient sauce compartment, perfect for a variety of snacks, appetizers, and dipping sauces. Product link is given in the 25th link.